I'm up. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning in. It's me, V. Today we are going to do this peachy makeup look. Really excited how this all came together. Springtime and I'm so hyped. Fresh air, spring showers bring May flowers. If you want to find out how I achieved this look, just keep watching. Today I want to use my Girl Pro Prep&Prime. Usually I don't start off with my base first. We're going to do something different. And this guy fills in those pores. That's why I really like this stuff. Then I'm going to use my Bedascue Rose Water. I am at the end of this. NYX Total Control Foundation Drops. This applicator just makes my life so freaking easy. I am going to use my Mercier. If you have not watched my review yet, you have to go and watch it. So if you've been following me on Snapchat, you know that I've been struggling to sleep at night. And I don't know why. My mind has really just been racing a lot about my future, and my goals. And I just can't find time to sleep because I'm up thinking about it. So I'm kind of glad that I got up. I was like, screw it. I'm just going to get up and film then. Instead of sitting up, not doing anything else. You see how easy this stuff blends? Kind of got it up on my eye, but that's okay. Because I'm just going to set it anyway. So I got some news for you guys. I don't know if you've been watching me on social media. If you're not connected with me, follow me. You should follow me on Snapchat. I know Snapchat is real error right now due to the new update, but follow me on Snapchat or Instagram. I didn't think that I was going to move at all this year or start planning to move. So me and Bae have really been talking about moving to Florida. And the reason why is because I've always wanted to live in Florida. I just love everything about Florida. From, first of all, the weather to its location, the people, just the scenery. I think it's really beautiful. So we're really thinking about moving to southern Florida. I just find that being in the north right now, it's just a lot. I'm used to the cold because I've lived in it my entire life. But I'm just so over it. I cannot do it in the cold any longer. I'm ready to get the heck out of here. So my biggest thing is making the transition smooth for me and my family. We want to buy a house. We're talking big goals here. Pursue YouTube full-time. Do makeup full-time as well. So I have a lot going on. There's a lot of things that I want for myself this year, and I've been really focusing. And just thinking about it a lot. So I'm setting everything into place with my Mercier translucent powder. And I'm falling in love with this stuff, guys. It's changed the way my makeup. It's really changed my makeup. Just set everything into place. I'm like so excited for the spring. Like, I'm finally waking up in the morning to birds chirping and geese. Like, I've been waiting on that for a long time. Hit pan on this palette. This is my forever go-to palette. But I've had this guy for about, it hasn't even been a full year though. Wait, has it? I don't know. I don't think it's been a full year. My all-time favorite Mineralize skin finish in dark deep. I know another thing that you guys have been seeing me talk about a lot is buying a Mac. I have a camera and sometimes it's like on and off. I film with it, then I don't film with it, and then I film with it, and then I don't film with it. Well, I'm to the point now where the reason why I don't film with it is because it's so hard for me to edit it since I don't have a Mac. And I'm to the point where now I'm kind of like over it. Like, I'm ready to take my editing to the next level. Make it look more fun, you know, and more interesting here. And yeah. Look at this palette, guys. Like, it's like freaking gorgeous. Look at these shades. I don't even know where I want to start, girl. And this mirror is freaking dope. I'm going to start with this color right here. And that one is Peach Sorbet. So this one, I'm going to use this as my transition. Whoa. So that's a bit ashy. Okay. Maybe I'm going to have to dip into Peach Sweat. Way right here. So I was just about to use this one, but that's ashy on me. So I'm going to use this color. Okay. We're gonna see what this does. So this is more like cool. And there's Fallout. I'm judging it because it just looks so chalky. Okay. I don't know if this is a good transition color, guys. Skirt. I'm gonna have to get some help because this is not doing what I wanted to do. Okay, Morphe 35B palette. You're gonna have to help me out. Help this palette out, you guys. We're gonna dip back into this, but we're gonna go in with the Morphe 35B palette because I just need, I don't know, I want it to look more like peachy pink. I need some warmth. It's too ashy. There we go. In this color right here, which is like an orangey color. So I don't know, maybe it's gonna help with the transition, we'll see. But that little dab that I just pressed into that pink, I think it just saved this palette's life because now I'm seeing the vision that I was going for. You see how this one was more ashier than this one? Because that peach suede was a little too ashy. I don't know, maybe it's just not this palette. I don't want to judge it 100%, but it's just not brown girl friendly. Let's just say that. I want to wipe it off, but just to make it look together, because one looks brighter than the other. I might have to go in with that. Yeah, so this like peachy suede is like a satin. I'm actually glad that I got up the film, guys. I actually did. It's a little more motivating for me. I'm a little scared. I don't think I want to really mess with this palette, guys. So the only two colors that's really catching my attention is this one right here and this one. Yeah, I'm like scared to use the rest of them. Morphe 35B palette. I'm gonna use that orange color. Look at that. Ooh. This is exactly what I want. We're gonna do a half cut crease. And then I'm gonna take my brush to pull it out and blend it in to the other colors. Like that. Peach. And this better give me the color that I'm looking for. Yes, honey. What? Yes, mommy. Look at that, guys. Oh, yeah. Because this peach ice color right here is really screaming at me, and like, let me swatch it. You see that? So it better come through. You better do that. You better do that on my lid. Whoa. Okay. My Maybelline New York like dip. For highlighter today, I am going to go in with my L'Oreal True Mattes Lumi Loose powder. My black Opal brown lip pencil. One last time. Bye, everyone.